Can the weapon be?
I don't know. This is crazy. I'm stupid.
You're crazy and stupid.
Yeah, I know. I'm wrong. Then that's your problem.
Ghosts float.
Yeah, but then now we want them not
Like
float.
this?
You guys help me, like, block. Bell.
Okay, like, this is it, guys. We're finally here.
No, it's that, guys, can, help me out here. Like, try to help, like, block me. Like, block other people so they don't get me.
Okay, guys, can you please help me there? Cause, they're blocking, and I have no choice to go there by myself, cause I don't want to be tagged. When I'm not in the last interactive video. And anyone, like, gonna help me?
That was really long just for a statement. I'm just saying.
Puppy? Yeah, I will help you do it, cause I can cloak myself, and I can cloak you, too. Yep, I can cloak anyone. If you don't know what cloak is, I can make you invisible. Stop it, Tiffany! Raping! No.
He doesn't have a dick.
Go.
Okay, guys, I can't... yeah, I will. Cause I can cloak anyone.
Ding
Shugga, help me.
dong.
Wow, wow.
I'm him. He said, Shugga, help me.
Should I get...
No action, isn't it? You're just laying down right there. That's literally helpful.
Can I say?
Come on. Come on. Okay.
Yes, thanks a lot, Shy Guy. Yep, it looks like you're the most helpful, character that can block us.
Hey,
let's
look.
get it.
Hey, look. They're right there. You're right there.
Oh, thanks a lot, Shy Guy. You're the good bodyguard here.
Otherwise, I'm gonna post a video of you again. I'm gonna post the... Let in! Shut the fuck up!
What was my line?
Wow.
What was my line?
When he interrogates, it's like, and they like, shut the hell up. And then that... So can you, so like, she's like, hey, your mom, can you help me?
Hey. I hope they don't see us here.
Shut the hell up!
Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Bitches, crazy.
You're the last one here?
No, dude, just say, help me.
Puffy.
Sorry. Yeah.
Puffy, can you please help me, please? Cause you're the only one that I love, like, the best friend. Okay.
Can you continue, like, hold on to me below?
Oh my god, I think that cloaking is so good. Yeah, always my professionals. I learned it from cloaking school. Now let's grab it. And we have to walk out closely. With no noise. Just be quiet. Okay.
Dude, where's Goomba? I'm Puffy.
And the briefcase.
Okay. Get out. Come on. What's it?
Looks like, I have to, like, go, like...
Can you quit saying like? What do you like? Penises?
Okay, guys, come on, let's go, cause we get a briefcase. Count on me, too.
Okay, you ready? Because they follow us in a single file line. Oh crap, no. No, what the? No, this! No, Puffy was behind it, remember? Wait, dude, what's with the other hand?
Sinanani.
Come on! Move these!
Come on, let's go.
No, not yet, not yet.